Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 8.1, in which we will be learning about the measures of length. Clear? So, question number 1 is convert into centimeters. In bracket, it is written in decimals. Okay. So, here the question is given 3 millimeter. So, how to convert 3 millimeter into centimeter? Okay, so here in the previous class, I explained you all the measures of length, weight, and capacity. See here, question is asking you to convert into centimeter, and the question is given in millimeter. Okay, see here, millimeter and then centimeter. Okay, so we are moving from millimeter to centimeter. It means millimeter is lower unit and centimeter is higher. So whenever we are moving from lower to higher, what we are doing, we are dividing. And what is the gap? What is the difference between millimeter and centimeter? The difference is of 10. The difference is of 10. So what you need to do, you need to do in this manner. 3 millimeter, when we are converting millimeter into centimeter, it needs to be divided by 10. See, and in the previous chapters in decimals, you learned whenever a number is divided by 10, 100 or 1000, you need to add a decimal. See, there is 10, it means 10, so the decimal will come after one digit to the left of the number. Okay, so the value will be 0.3 centimeter. Clear? So 3 millimeter. See, the difference between millimeter and centimeter is of 10, and you need to divide. So 3 will be divided by 10 and the value will be 0.3 centimeter. Clear? Let's do one more question. Let's do C. Okay, question number C. What is given in question number C? 8 centimeter and 4 millimeter. The question is asking you to convert into centimeter. So here it is already given in centimeter, so we need to convert millimeter into centimeter. So how to do this? See, eight plus 4 millimeter. Millimeter is converted into centimeter. So here it was divided by 10. Again here also it will be divided by 10. 8 plus 4 by 10. So the value will be 8 plus 0.4. 8 plus 0 is 8.4 centimeter. Like this you have to do. Clear? Okay. Now the other two questions you will be doing by yourself. Okay. Homework question number B and D. Okay. Now move to question number 2. Move to question number 2. What is given? Convert into meters in decimal. Again the question is same. Okay, units are different. Okay, convert into meter it is asking. Okay, 4 decimeter you need to convert into meter. Decimeter. Okay, question number A, 4 decimeter. You know, millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter. Clear? So the question is asking you to convert from decimeter to meter. So decimeter then meter. What is the difference? What is the gap? The gap is of 10. Gap is of 10. And we are moving from decimeter to meter. It means what we need to do? Divide. Clear? Okay. Now the solution will again be same. 4 decimeter equals to 4 by 10 equals to 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter. This is the question. Let's do one more question. Okay, question number D. 554 centimeter. 554 centimeter. Question number D. 554 centimeter. Okay, see, here we are moving from centimeter to meter. So again we are moving from lower to higher. It means we need to divide. Check the gap. Here 10 and here 10. 10 into 10 how much? 100. So it will be divided by 100. Clear? See, 554 centimeter equals to 554 divided by 100. Clear? See how many zeros? 2 zeros. So from right you have to count 2 digits and put a decimal. 5.54 meter. Like this you have to do. Clear? Now let's do one more question. Question number E. What is given in question number E? 5 meter 1 decimeter. dm is decimeter. 5 meter 1 decimeter. Clear? Now see, this is already meter, so write 5 plus 1. See, decimeter, then it is meter, so gap is of 10, so divide by 10. Clear? 5 plus 0.1. 5 plus 0 is 5.1 meter. Clear? Like this you have to do other questions of this part. Okay, so homework B, C, F, G. Question number B, C, F and G. You have to try by yourself. Okay, now check question number 3. What is there? Convert into kilometers. Again it is given in decimals. Okay, convert into kilometers. Meter to kilometer means lower to higher. Again you need to divide. So we will create the metric measure: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So the question is given as 4 meter to kilometer we need to convert. Okay, so from meter, look at here, we are moving from meter to kilometer, lower to higher. It means what you need to do? Divide. See the difference? 10, 10 and 10. It means you need to divide it by 1000. So 4 meter equals to 4 by 1000 equals to how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, then decimal 0. Kilometer. Question is asking to convert into kilometer. Therefore, it is 0.004 kilometer. Clear? Let's do one more question. Okay, 952 meter. Question number D. 952 meter. Clear? 952 meter is converted into kilometer. again meter to kilometer, division and divided by 1000. Clear? So 952 meter equals to 952 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 1 2 3. So decimal will be after 3 digits. 952 decimal here 0 kilometer. Clear? See, it is very beneficial if you are making it in the rough part whenever you are solving the questions. Okay, you need to learn this. You need to learn all the metric measures. Then there will be very easy for you to solve any kind of question related to measurements. Okay, let's do one more question. Question number F. Question number F. 18 kilometer 159 meter. Clear? See, look at this part. The question is asking you to convert into kilometer and this part is already converted. Okay, so what you need to do, you will be using the same method. 18 plus 159 meter into kilometer means divided by 1000. Okay, so 18 plus 3 zeros, so decimal will be after 3 digits, 0.159. so 18 plus 0 is 18.159 kilometer. So this exercise is too easy for you. It's too easy for you. Okay, so practice other questions. Question number B, C, E, G and H. Okay, try doing these questions by yourself. Try doing these questions by yourself. Okay, so the best thing is to learn all the metric measures and the sequence. Whenever we are converting from lower to higher, we are dividing. Whenever we are converting from higher to lower, we are multiplying. So in this exercise, we are converting from lower to higher. Lower to higher, therefore we are dividing. Clear? So you just keep a concept in your mind. Whenever we are converting from lower unit to higher, we are dividing. Whenever we are converting from higher to lower, we are multiplying. Clear? So today you do up to this question. Okay, till then, bye bye.